Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can change your font style in your presentations and text on Google Slides really quickly. So let us jump right into it. Alright, so for the sake of the tutorial, let's assume I would like to change the font of that text here. So what you want to do, guys, is highlight the given text like this. First, simply click on the text box or directly highlight the given text like this with your left mouse. And then what you want to do, guys, is take a look or pay attention to that option here at the top where you see the font, the currently applied font, which is this one here. So to change your font, simply click on that arrow down icon and select one of the supported fonts from that list below. So let me go with one with, let's say, with a really beautiful, sophisticated one like this one here. And as you can see, it has been automatically and instantaneously applied. So you can keep customizing your text, for example, by increasing or decreasing your font size like this, by clicking on that plus or that minus button. And last but not least, you may, for example, apply bold letters, italic letters, underline, and so on and so forth, or change the text color completely by clicking on the text color box here and by selecting your preferred color from that list below. Like, let me go with a light greenish color tone like this. And there you go. As you can see, that's my new text or font like that. And that's it, guys. Let's call it a day here. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.